Hello, this is Captain Obvious for North Carolina State University and Turf Bugs and Rock and Roll. And each week Captain Obvious gets lots of emails and phone calls with questions that, in my opinion, the answers are, how should we say, obvious. So I'll give you a few examples. The first one is, says, Dear Mr. or Dear Captain Obvious, the product that I applied says water in immediately after application. If I wait until the next day to water it in, is the product going to work just as well? I think the answer to that one is rather obvious. The second question, Dear Captain Obvious, the product I want to use is a fire ant bait, and it says apply only when ants are actively foraging or feeding. It's been really hot and dry, and I've not seen ants out feeding, but I've got the time to do it right now, so I think I'll go ahead and put it out. That is a good idea, isn't it, Captain Obvious? Again, I think the answer to that is obvious. And the third one is, Dear Captain Obvious, I've got a white grub insecticide that says apply at egg laying or early egg hatch. I got real busy watching the World Cup and didn't get the product put out in time, but if I put it out at the right rate and watered it immediately, it should still work just as well, shouldn't it, even though I should have applied it several weeks ago. Once again, the answer to that is pretty obvious. The information given on labels and in recommendations are given for a specific reason, because that's how you make these products work and work well. When you deviate from that, the results that you get are not going to be as good as if you stick with the plan. So rather than ask Captain Obvious whether you did the right thing, the results are going to be obvious if you don't stick with the plan. So make sure you do that from here on out, and Captain Obvious will probably return sometime soon asking about legal and regulatory questions, again, in which the answers are obvious. Hope that helps. Look forward to seeing you again next time.